Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by launching Ultraviewer and connecting to the remote ID immediately. This gets you into the session. Once connected, enable Clipboard Sync in the session toolbar so data can flow both ways. Make sure the remote user accepts and both sides run a compatible version that prevents mismatched behavior. After that, click into the remote window and select the text or item you want. This first selection is the trigger for the copy process. With the text or file selected on the remote desktop, press Ctrl+C or use the Session Copy command to push the remote clipboard to your side. You do this because Ultraviewer relays clipboard content only after an explicit copy command, and that ensures you grab the correct data. Once you see the clipboard transfer notification in Ultraviewer, switch to your local app and paste with Ctrl+V. If the content is large or formatted, let the transfer finish. Now paste into your local application with Ctrl+V and verify formatting. You do this to confirm the content transferred intact. If formatting is wrong, paste as plain text or use Ultraviewer's file transfer to move documents instead. If paste fails, make sure Clipboard Sync is still enabled, then try restarting the session or both Ultraviewer instances. Updating to the latest Ultraviewer often resolves protocol quirks. Once done, repeat the copy step, and you should be good to go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.